If anyone knows how to shut this off, or if I'm missing the valve where to shut it off, because I really don't see one. So if anyone knows, I'd appreciate it if you let me know. Alright, so I have to add a gallon of coolant to my truck because the other day I have a coolant filter on my truck that I haven't changed in like a year. I kind of forget about it all the time. There's supposed to be a valve to shut it off. So awkward talking to a camera in front of people. Alright, so this is what I'm talking about right here. That's a coolant filter. I haven't changed it in about a year, so I decided to change it. But from the videos I've seen online, on the filter housing there's supposed to be a valve that you can shut off so the coolant will stop coming to this filter, and I don't see one anywhere on here. But anyway, so what I did was, you know, kind of stupid. I unscrewed it really quick and I screwed the new one back on really quick, but I lost a shitload of coolant. The only other thing I could see was this line right here going to this valve, and I shut it off. That didn't help. Just to be safe, I actually shut everything. I shut all of them off. I shut these two off. It didn't help. Coolant went everywhere. Anyway, I put a gallon of coolant in, didn't fill it up, so now I got to put one more in. Now I just shut the truck off probably about 15 minutes ago, so there's probably going to be pressure here. There it is. Not too bad. Filled up now. Alright, now we're just doing the normal stuff we do every time we park. We're gonna check the oil, check the tires, make sure we don't have any flats. Good. Right at the fill line. Alright, we're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed the different angles. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.